welcome back to my channel. Don't, kind of look crazy, don't mind the background or whatever. So in today's video, we're basically gonna try the new Chick-Fil-A breakfast. And me, I know I'm a waffle girly, but you don't know, we have to try certain things. So we're gonna try the new waffle breakfast, whatever chicken and waffle they have, and the drink that comes with it. And I think we're gonna try Dunkin' today too, because I think they have this free thing, the fall drinks or whatever, and we might do Starbucks too. Okay, so if you are interested to see that review, stay tuned. So guys, I already made the order via the app, so I'm just gonna go through the drive-through, and I'm gonna get two. I'm gonna get a free. Just got go with me, cause I'm not a coffee person, and then we have cold coffee at that. So let's see, it's two drinks, and I got hash brown and the chicken and waffle, the spicy one. So let's see how this goes. Alright guys, so package is secured. So it's the spicy chicken waffle and biscuit sandwich. It comes with hash brown, barbecue sauce, chicken and waffle syrup. One mocha cold brew and the marshmallow hot coffee. So, guys, I'm gonna try this first. This is how it looks. This is the the mocha cream cold brew. The mocha at the bottom, which is a chocolate. So, oh my god! I first gonna drink them together. Now mix it up. Good, not gonna lie. It look like it is good. Ready? Okay. This is actually good. Wow. I'm gonna tell me that government. 10 out of 10. Clock it, Chick-Fil-A. That's really good. This me know I'm not gonna lie now. This are the coffee. The smell. You know, say, you know what I'm here to say I'm pregnant, girl. This? Alright, let's go. I'm scared. I hate the smell, bro. I hate the smell of coffee. I don't even know if I taste it. No. That not a drink. Ew. We'll try the hash browns. These are how they look. Hash browns are like I like fries, you know, still potato. I tried it once, so it never tastes bad, but you know I'm not eat it off. No. Hash brown just not my thing. Like it don't taste bad, you know. But I don't mind too. But this surprised me though. This actually is very like it is so good. And coffee in it, I don't know if the mocha make it taste real good. And the cream what in it, oh god. This bad. This probably gonna make me use the bathroom now, but it's real good. And now for this, it is so small. The star of the show today is the chicken and waffles. It's in the foil. Ta-da! It smells. It smells like it tastes good. Ain't go cap. It smells like it tastes good. Oh, bacon in it too. So we're gonna try it without the syrup, them gay syrup. So let's see. The hash brown here. You know the hash brown. The waffles, I have one flavor. Like a vanilla-ish. This spicy is really good. This is really good. I'm gonna try it with a syrup. I'm gonna like excitement for my food, you know. Kind of excitement for my food. Alright, guys. I don't know what my taste. More on the syrup. And it's not sweet. It's not sweet. The chicken have flavor. Nice. But I try it with my barbecue sauce. You don't put barbecue sauce for everything. Bro. The barbecue sauce turned it up a notch. Well, me just love barbecue. But the chicken, it's not too spicy. It have flavor. It is real good. No cap. I will definitely buy this again. I didn't big enough. I just want a little sandwich. Okay. It's so good. This bad. This. Them say Starbucks better than Chick-Fil-A, but if Starbucks have nothing like this, y'all will get my money. This will stay on their menu. This is real good. Nice. And the spice, I love the spice. So good. I actually eat it up. I never expect to eat it up. That was really something. I'm gonna want to hash brown class there. I'm gonna do them. No, I can't do hash brown. And the coffee can stay. But yeah, guys, that is it. If you have a Chick-fil-A by you should go ahead and try it. It's really good. I said 10 out of 10. I will definitely buy it again. Would I go out my way for it? That's not how I eat food. I have to feel for stuff to eat it. Because I'll feel for it. I actually only buy it because I saw every scroll pan TikTok my see, so I had to get it. I didn't even do a thumbnail. It was really good though. Go buy it. It's like $10. No, it's probably less than that because Yeah, $10. Everything did come up to $10. Yeah, man, that burst some gas somewhere. Excuse me. Yes, so guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bring a friend, tell a friend for come over my channel. Okay, guys, bye.